Okay, so I got everything back together. I want to do basically just a sound test on how this thing sounds. I still got to put the clamp on, which I've got, and this video will be uploaded before my fuel tuner, because I'm not quite done with that one yet. But anyway, the fuel tuner's up here in the pod. But this video is just going to be about how this thing sounds and all. So yeah, I'm definitely going to probably put the heat shield back on because it all gets really, really hot. I mean, I know duh, but still, I didn't think it would get quite like that. So that's how it is, just idling. That, I mean, this thing gets really hot quick. That's basically going to do it. I just wanted to give everybody a idea of what this thing sounds like. Again, it's the XL version of it, which is extra loud, obviously, and it is loud. So that's going to probably do it for this one, and thanks for watching.